In the vibrant studio, energetic music pulses as the Photomath app's animated interface promises AI-powered math solutions. With compelling enthusiasm, the host introduces Photomath, the AI-powered app that instantly solves math problems with a simple picture. As the host elucidates Photomath, a screen recording showcases the app effortlessly dissecting a complex equation, revealing its potent capabilities. The narrator declares Photomath supports basic math to advanced calculus. The host proclaims, Photomath is a free AI-powered app that helps students solve algebra, calculus, geometry, and more just by snapping a photo. The host enthusiastically demonstrates the simplicity of Photomath as it effortlessly tackles a quadratic equation with instant, detailed solutions. With a single scan, Photomath's AI swiftly unravels the complexities of the equation, providing clear, step-by-step explanations that illuminate every step. The host exclaims, "Using Photomath is super simple. Just snap a picture of your math problem, and AI will instantly solve it with step-by-step explanations." The graphing feature is unveiled, transforming abstract equations into visually stunning graphs that bring mathematical concepts to life. A cascade of glowing reviews and stellar ratings blanket the screen, affirming Photomath as a beacon of trust and reliability. In a bold proclamation, the text overlay declares, "Trusted by millions, 4.8 rating." The host proclaims that Photomath is perfect for students, parents, and even teachers. The host further elucidates that whether it's homework help, exam prep, or self-study, this app makes math easy. A vibrant download now pop-up bursts onto the screen, beckoning viewers to seize the moment and transform their learning. The host's cheerful invitation echoes, urging viewers to share their experiences and ignite a community of learners. Amidst the digital clamor, gentle reminders flicker, prompting viewers to subscribe, like, comment. The host warmly poses the question, would you use Photomath for studying? Let me know in the comments. Upbeat music signals the end, as social media handles and website URLs light up the screen. Animated icons for likes, subscriptions, and the notification bell beckon viewers to engage. The host encourages viewers, for more amazing AI tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.